Okay, well, this so far is 10 minutes of cutting. And these are the ones I cut as red oak. I cut it in 21-inch logs because that's what one of my neighbors said he uses in his big fireplace furnace. But just in case he wants them. Otherwise, I cut them pretty big. But he said he puts the whole log in his furnace, you know. But anyway, once I dragged the log over to the splitter in the vertical position, that vertical or horizontal? Vertical. I was able to set it up on there and split it fairly easily. But I'm going to be stacking them on this deck right here that I built. It's a 8-foot deck, so I'm going to put some 8-foot rows by 4 foot tall. So just to see how many what do they call them here? How many ricks that I have? We call them cords in California, but they're ricks here. So I'm just going to stack several ricks in a row right there and put a sign on it. I had to move these logs here from that low spot over here yesterday because the rain right there was soaking them. Those oak planks right there were on pallets, so they didn't get wet. But I really didn't plan for this. I planned to carry the water behind here, which I did, because the water used to run right through the middle of this. Why, I don't know. So I quickly fixed that when I first moved here. And so now I have a plow, a 3-point plow. I'm just going to plow a trough that way from that low spot and then drop it down into the creek, and that'll take care of that. But it did have a low spot right over here, but because that's where it came in, right through the middle of this place. So anyway, I'm going to go up top to the pasture where I have cords and cords of red and white oak, hickory, and cherry, and I'm going to start cutting. I have some more down here, but I'm going to save those for Paige wants to help me split some, and they're on the other side of those logs right there. Boy, I am anxious to start the sawmill and get some of these logs on there. And first thing I'm going to do is cut 1-inch boards. That's what this cabinet maker in town said I should do, and he might be interested in buying them. So that's what I'm going to do. But even if they don't, I could always use 1-inch boards for something. So anyway, the buggy tows it just fine. And I had to flip the hitch upside down because it was too low in the position it was in. I have it set for my truck, and my truck's so high up it needed a little bit lower hitch. So anyway, so it does just fine. No problem at all. This thing runs great. I mean, gosh, I'd hate to catch my finger in front of that blade, you know. Anyway, it's kind of fun. I just have to be careful of my back. Right now I have a knee and leg injury. I got to be careful of that. So, and that's a pain in the butt. Actually, it's a pain in the knee. But anyway, there's my 10 minutes of fame right there on the first split for the Champion 37 ton. First pile.